In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OmeTV. Stuck on loading screen or loading error. Start with the simplest reset. Close the OmeTV tab entirely, then quit and reopen your browser. On a phone, force close the app, open it again, and if the issue persists, restart your device. A clean restart clears temporary glitches that can keep sessions stuck. If it's still loading, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which is more reliable. Reboot your router if you can and avoid slow or congested public Wi-Fi. Video chat relies on steady upload and download, so even small drops can stall the loading screen. Many people overlook this. Disable any VPNs, proxies, or private DNS services. OmeTV frequently blocks traffic from anonymizing services, and that can prevent the page from completing its handshake. Turn them off, then reload the site or app. Confirm the app or site can use your camera and microphone. In a browser, click the lock icon in the address bar, allow camera and microphone, and refresh. On mobile, go to Settings, find the OmeTV app, and enable camera and microphone permissions. If access is blocked, the service may hang while waiting for approval. Clearing cache data often fixes corrupted sessions. In your browser, open Settings and clear cache and cookies for the site, then restart the browser. On mobile, open Settings apps, select OmeTV, tap Clear Cache, and reopen the app. Keep your software up to date. Update the OmeTV app in your browser or try a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. OmeTV tends to work best on a current Chromium-based browser. Temporarily disable ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy extensions, then reload. If OmeTV works, add it to your allow list before turning your extensions back on. If you're signed in, log out, fully close the app or browser, and sign back in to refresh the session. Double check your device's date and time, enable automatic date and time, and restart the device so secure connections validate correctly. On mobile, a clean reinstall can help. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, install it again from your app store, and log back in. Finally, try a different network or device. Testing on another phone, laptop, Wi-Fi, or a mobile hotspot helps pinpoint whether the issue is your device or your connection. That's it. Work through these fixes in order, and you should be chatting again without the endless loading screen.